It's okay.
Sister Chuku dog.
Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is your first day of coming out. Now they say this face. What I want to talk about, I just finished watching the video. The thing they read the welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Yes, today I bring this news come for now. News. Let me go straight away to the topic. Today, 4 years old speaking, killed by Madam. 4 years old speaking. Madam kill am. 4 years old pikin. You don't see they do housemaid, house help. 4 years old pikin. I'll leave the video. May una see waiting as everybody they cry. It happened for Nigeria, for East. And now where it for happen. Now there it for happen. The thing break my heart. It break me down. She even kill and finish. He wrap am, go dump am.
It's okay.
Sister Chuku dog.
Mother. No, who you to blame? I blame the parents. Except this pikin don't get parents. Now what they try to talk yesterday night. Now the video when they try to want talk yesterday night. How could you carry your 4 years old pikin out? How? Una break can and eat or una drink water, gather sleep, you and your pikin sleep together. It's not good pass you take 4 years old pikin, you bring her out to housemaid, a bit to slave, a bit to house girl. What if 4 years old pikin want to? I still dey imagine because I be mom of 2. Wetin your 4 years old pikin go fit do? My pikin go complete 4 years next month. I get one 6 years next month too. Wetin 5 years old pikin wan fit do? My people, I'll leave una and watch the video. If na watch the video, I'll still bring the wetin they write. I'll put the writing for here. I beg. If you know say you are not capable of taking care of other person pikin, you know fit take other person pikin like your own child. Don't go look for anybody pikin. If you know say ask you to handle your pikin, I dey talk to mother, all those madam out there. When you dey look use another person pikin, take the nana your pikin. Remember there is God. If you even suffer, if you even maybe you give the pikin work, time to sleep, you allow her to sleep. Time to eat, you allow him to eat. Time to rest, you allow him to rest. You are free to go. But if you be that kind of mother, when madam, if they roll your hair like say you win jackpot, abi you win the Euro Mirror when they play for France, or you be president's wife, or you be, I don't know how I want to call you. Don't near anybody child. I use God beg you. Somebody when be your slave today, it might be great tomorrow. You might need his help. It might be your help tomorrow. And my mom, they make parable say, you know me say, you give person food today, in future, you don't know how it go be. You know me say you don't give person food today. You know me say in future, may it not bright. Okay? If you know say you are not capable to be a mother, to be, wait till I talk, to be a mother to other children, please, not near people children. This video now I'm about to watch soon. I'll leave you now. Please, if I make you cry, I'm sorry. This channel is all about anything when they trend for social media, and that's how they break come out for this channel. A 4 years old pikin, when they stay with a woman, the woman use the hand take kill him. As he kill him finish, he go through where for forex. He beat her, now see the mark, the injury when he put for pikin body. I don't know whether YouTube go restrict all those things. I don't know whether YouTube go accept her, because I remember they say all those things, you know, good. Say bringing video out, say you dey beat pikin, but not me beat her. Now waiting happen, now they break come out. But if I see YouTube restrict her, YouTube not accept her, then I go leave the video or I go remove the picture. Now what I go do? Please, if you dey carry person pikin as a housemaid, no treat her wrong. If you know, say you know, if you treat her the way when you will treat your pikin, the equal rights, please leave people children. Are you a mother? Are you a single mother? Or are you a widow? Who you be? I will still tell you, say, go watch this our sister. She just dropped video now. What is be her name? Sandra Reality. I will put her. Why? I will still tell you now. Go watch her. Her story, not be only you want they there. Her story, it go encourage you. You know me say you are a widow. You know me say you be single mother. You don't know your left or right. If your husband or your husband know they assist you, or maybe your husband family they don't assist you, tight your belt. Yes. Go watch single mother when they make her. Go watch her. Okay? Try to encourage yourself. Nigeria, Africa, my country, Nigeria. You feel hawk something. Go hawk something. If you hawk something, use and take care of your children. It's good. And don't let anybody deceive you and say, they want to carry your children go, maybe when they east, they want to carry your children go Lagos, maybe they go school. They're not the school. It's better your pikin don't school. They speak it broken like the way they speak so. She they alive. It's better. Some of them, they will come, or the name of say, your pikin want go school. And you, they desperate, your pikin go school. That is dream of all mothers, all good mothers. You carry your pikin go out. No, say, your pikin dead street of Lagos, they hawk something. You don't know, say your pikin dead street of Lagos, they hawk something from morning till evening. He go over hawk and finish. Food no day. He go reach house, kitchen go dirty. I use God beg you now. Mother, put train for head. Say, hawk, take care of your children. Sell something. One day, your story will turn around. Always think, before you start be a mother, nobody knows tomorrow. I remember when I look for work for France, they asked me whether I go learn driving. I said, no, manga. The lady is straight away. He said, you don't know tomorrow. Don't take, just learn your own. I said, okay. It's true. Anything can happen. You out there will never be a mother. You dey plan to be a mother. You dey plan to marry. Be strong. Let your brain dey calculate. Wait till you feel they generate money for you. Anything can happen. If that thing happen, can I stand? Can I be there for my children? Anything can be happen. Anything. You and husband feel dead. Don't be say dead. Another woman feel snatch your husband for your hand. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? The man of course he don't need you again. If you be good mother, or if you be wife, woman, when they think, when brain they think, you go think something good. People they farm, use and take care of their children. People they sex something, use and take care of their children. Which one are you decide? Before you go marry, before you start picking, always think plan B. Yes, and give birth to the one when you will take care of. Don't give birth to the one when you take they look for. As this small girl die, as with pain. The stomach they will dey pain now. See injury for small pikin 4 years, old body. It break me down. In fact, I don't want to remember now because I be mom. I be mom. I be mother. I don't want to remember the story. They talk about story. Story never reach. My people, I'll leave you now. You not watch by yourself. You not drop in our opinion. Now wait I'll talk with that. Please, before you they marry, before you want to start with the born children, don't be a lazy mother. Please. Don't be a lazy mother. Please be strong for your mother. May this small girl, her soul rest in peace. May her soul rest in peace. God, if she they come back to this world, if now read true, say, person they recollect, person they come back to the world, let her come out for good, rich family. Family when they go love her. Family when they don't let fly patch her. Yes. Because this small girl die with pain, with she die with pain. With pain. I'll see you in my next video.